Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Tile Premium for Bluetooth tracking detailed guide step by step clearly. You can find the Tile app in the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, open it on your device. If you already have a Tile account, sign in with your credentials. If you're new to Tile, create an account by selecting the Sign Up option. You will be prompted to enter your email address and choose a password. After signing in or creating an account, you'll be taken to the app's home screen. Look for the Premium option at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Premium option to view the features and benefits. The app will display the subscription plans available for Tile Premium. Review the details of each plan to choose the one that suits your needs. You will be directed to a payment screen. Enter your payment information, including credit card details, or select a payment method. Ensure that your billing address is correct. The app will process your payment and activate your premium subscription. You should receive a confirmation message once the subscription is successful. Now, you can start using Tile Premium features for enhanced Bluetooth tracking. Explore the app to make the most of your new subscription. Enjoy seamless tracking and management of your Tile devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.